Grocery shopping. A key ingredient in your English learning recipe. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be exploring an important part of our daily life: grocery shopping. It's a common task we all do, and it's a great opportunity to practice our English skills. In this video, we'll learn useful vocabulary, phrases, and conversation scenarios related to grocery shopping. Let's get started. First, we need to understand some key words related to grocery shopping. Here are some terms you might find useful. 1. Grocery store or supermarket. A shop where you can buy food and other household items. 2. Shopping cart or trolley. A large basket on wheels that you use to hold items as you shop. 3. Shopping list. A list of items you need to buy. 4. Checkout. The area where you pay for your items. 5. Cashier. The person who takes your payment at the checkout. 6. Receipt. A piece of paper that shows what you have bought and how much you paid. Example sentence. After pushing my shopping cart through the grocery store, I went to the checkout, paid the cashier, and took my receipt. Now let's learn some phrases and expressions you can use while grocery shopping. 1. Where can I find? Use this when you can't locate a certain item. Example. Where can I find the eggs? 2. Do you have in stock? Use this to ask if the store carries a certain item. Example. Do you have any organic tomatoes in stock? 3. How much does this cost? Use this to inquire about the price of an item. Example. How much does this loaf of bread cost? Example dialogue. Shopper. Where can I find the milk? Employee. It's in the dairy section, next to the cheeses. Role play is a fun and effective way to practice English. Let's do a grocery shopping role play. Scenario. You are at the grocery store and need help finding items on your shopping list. An employee is there to help you. You. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Employee. It's in aisle 5, next to the bakery. You. Thank you. And do you have almond milk in stock? Employee. Yes, it's in the refrigerated section, next to the dairy milk. You. Great, thank you for your help. And that's a wrap on grocery shopping in English. Remember, everyday tasks like these are great opportunities to practice English. Try using these new vocabulary words and phrases the next time you go grocery shopping. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating the grocery store like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.